In this video, we're unboxing the Innokin Trine Kit. Welcome back to the Vampire Vape YouTube channel. My name's Andrew, but before you do anything, go down there, like this video and subscribe too so that you don't miss out on any of our future content. But yes, we are looking at the Trine Kit today by Innokin, so let's go down and take a look. So in front of me, I've got the box for the Innokin Trine Kit, which has a very iridescent style packaging. It's quite striking to look at, and we can see that we've got a pink device here, which is not pink, it's actually gold pink apparently. Don't know what gold pink is, but we shall certainly find out. So let's open it up. And whilst I'm opening it up, you can see on the side a little sneak peek of what we might find inside. But I'll save that for in a moment. So opening it up, we get this, and this is everything that you're going to get, including a manual, but you won't need that if you're subscribed because we will be doing a tutorial soon. And then we also get this, which is the main shebang. We've got the Trine Kit just here, we've got the battery, and we've got another pod. So inside here we get 2 pods of different resistances. We actually get 2 batteries because yes, the Innokin Trine has a removable battery, but not in the normal sense. If you're not new to vaping and you're a bit more, you know, of an advanced vapor, maybe you've heard of 18650s, 18350s, 20, you know, there's so many different types of batteries, I won't list them all. But this has something new and something slightly different because Innokin, as we know, are all for recycling. That's why they often do recycling packaging and all that kind of stuff. But here they've actually got a new battery form, and it is part of making this more recyclable. So let's take it out and have a look, shall we? So we've got the battery itself, or the spare, which is just here. And then we've got the device, which is just here, which has another battery installed. And then we get the other pod just there. So the pods that we get are this one just here, which is a 0.8 ohm pod, just there. We get another pod inside, and I believe it's a 0.6, and I am correct. There we go, there is a 0.6. And then we also get another battery, and then the device itself, which is feeling very light and empty now that there's nothing in it. And that is the device. So popping this together, I'm not going to tell you how I'm doing it, even though you can just see, because I want to show you that in the tutorial video. But let's have a look at the gold pink. Now, I'm guessing it's gold pink because it's got a bit of a fade on it. I mean, it's got like a very sort of deep pink right at the bottom, and then it goes more into a peach color, in my opinion, than a gold. So in my opinion, this is a gold, a pink peach? Pink peach? Are we calling it pink peach? I'm calling it pink peach. That's what this is, not gold pink. So we've got Trine just there. We've got our button, because this does have a display on the side just there. We've got airflow control just there. We've got our removable battery on the side. We've got a USB-C port. And then of course, we've got some magnets inside there, as well as the contacts for our pods that go in and magnetize just there. These are disposable pods. They do not have replaceable coils, and they are top filling as well. So there we have it. That's our look at the gold pink, or the pink peach, as I'm calling it, by Innokin, the Innokin Trine Kit. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments if you've enjoyed this video. Like it, let me know in a comment, and make sure that you're subscribed and come back and see the tutorial coming soon. My name's Andrew. This is the Vampire Vape YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.